Most buyers think if I can handle the price and the down payment, I'm good. That's how people end up house poor. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the hidden, ongoing cost of homeownership that blindside buyers every single year. Shannon here to give you the inside scoop. When you add up taxes, insurance, utilities, maintenance, and more, homeowners can easily spend many thousands of dollars a year on things that are not part of the mortgage payment. Let's hit the big ones quickly so you can budget like a pro and avoid surprises. First, property taxes and homeowners insurance. Sometimes you can roll them into your monthly payment so it feels like the mortgage, but they are separate costs that can rise over time as values and rates go up. If you're putting less than 20% down and you possibly add private mortgage insurance on top of that, then suddenly affordable home doesn't feel so affordable anymore. Next is utilities and services. As a homeowner, you're usually paying for everything: water, sewer, trash, gas, electric, internet, plus any city fees. Move from a small apartment to a larger home and that utility bill can jump in a way that shocks people more than the mortgage. Next is maintenance and repairs. This is a big one. A common rule of thumb is to set aside about 1% of the home's value per year just to keep things running. On a $2 million home, that's $20,000 a year. We're talking about roofs, water heaters, plumbing leaks, HVAC, appliances. That stuff doesn't last forever, and when it goes, it rarely goes at a convenient time. If you are in an HOA community, include monthly dues and the possibility of special assessments for big projects. Of course, oftentimes HOA dues offset other costs, so weigh in that factor as well. And then outside, factor in landscaping, tree trimming, pest control, pool or yard maintenance. Either you're paying in dollars or you're paying in weekends, which some people actually enjoy. Then there's life spending, moving costs, furniture for extra rooms, window coverings, paint, and little upgrades that somehow add up to big money in 1 year. So how do you protect yourself? Number one, don't buy at the absolute top of your approval. Leave room for your monthly budget for these ongoing costs. Number two, set up a dedicated home reserve. Aim for that 1% per year for maintenance, plus an emergency fund for true curveballs. And if you're thinking about buying and you want real numbers, not guesses, for taxes, insurance, HOA, utilities, and realistic maintenance on a specific home, reach out and I'll walk you through line by line. That way you can buy with confidence instead of crossing your fingers. As always, I'm Shannon here to educate and navigate, not speculate and fabricate. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might be thinking about buying a home in 2026. I'll see you then.